When most people think of the word confidence, they associate it with a lack of fear or self-doubt. They look on in wonder, for example, at those confident co-workers who seem to just speak their mind without a care in the world for what other people think. They have a significant impact on most people around them. How did they become like that? How do some people always look confident and others don't have enough skills to buy coffee at Starbucks without problems? Hey everyone, and welcome to Wisey, the channel about everything and anything. Today we'll talk about confidence. Confidence is not something that you just have, it's something that's built over time. The most confident person in the room did not get that skill in one day. In this video, we'll share with you some habits of confident people, which can help to boost your own confidence. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join us here. Here are 10 things that confident people do that you can apply to your life. Number 1. They don't seek approval from others. Self-confidence means being self-assured. This can apply to everything from who you are as a person, your character, to your accomplishments. Self-confident people don't seek approval from others because they can validate themselves. They know exactly who they are and when they've done a good job. Therefore, they don't require any validation from others. Number 2. They get their happiness from within. Happiness is a crucial element of confidence, because in order to be confident in what you do, you have to be happy with who you are. People who brim with confidence derive their sense of pleasure and satisfaction from their own accomplishments, as opposed to what other people think of them. Number 3. They say no. Psychologists have noted that people who struggle with saying no are more likely to experience stress, burnout, and depression. There are times when you have to learn to say no. Maybe you need to dedicate time to what matters, or you just don't want to agree to something you don't want to do. Confident people are happy to decline the things they don't have time or energy for. They know their priorities. They understand what makes them happy, and people treat them with respect because of it. Hey, we have a quick quiz for you. Who do you think is more confident at work in terms of gender? A. Female, B. Male, or C. It doesn't depend on gender. The right answer is B. According to Dr. Russ Harris, there are several underlying reasons why men seem to be more confident than women. One of them is that females are generally prone to be more careful and tend to be less risk-taking compared to men. Do you agree with this statement? Let us know in the comments. And we continue to study the habits of confident people. The next one is number 4. Their verbal cues match their non-verbal cues. If you've ever talked with someone and walked away feeling that they were being disingenuous, it may be because their verbal cues didn't match their nonverbal cues. For example, if someone compliments another person while wincing or faking a smile, it may be a sign that they don't mean what they're saying. Confident people, on the other hand, tend to mean what they say. You can tell when someone's being genuine because what they're saying lines up with what their nonverbal cues are telling you. If you're truly happy or excited about something, both your words and your physical cues should reflect this. Number 5. They're keen learners. The meaningful and worthwhile goal you can pursue that will get you up for remarkable success is to reach your highest potential and become the best version of yourself. Highly confident and successful people always stay in learning mode. They keep looking for new skills to learn, constantly upgrade themselves, increase knowledge and expertise, and do all that is in their power to up their level. Greater learning not only makes you more knowledgeable and enlightened, but also increases your confidence and makes you a master in your area of expertise. Number 6. They are action-oriented. Confident people are the way they are because they take action and do what needs to be done. They're far from having the laid-back mindset of those who take things easy, offer excuses for not doing work or putting it off. These people are proactive, act fast, and take up work on a priority basis. No matter how difficult the task or how challenging the work is, they don't keep themselves away from hard work. The more effort you put in, the more proficient you become, and the deeper your self-belief gets. All these contribute towards boosting your confidence. Number 7. They avoid comparing themselves with others. In almost every case, when you compare yourself with someone else, it takes the form of negative self-talk about how you're not good enough. Doing this weakens self-confidence. The only person you need to compare yourself with is the version of yourself that you want to become. That's it. By the way, here's an interesting Wisey fact for you. Researchers at Oakland University proved that comparing yourself to others is a vicious cycle. When you do it, you experience envy, and the more envious you get, the worse you feel about yourself, and thus the lower your self-confidence becomes. Sounds simple and clear, doesn't it? Have you ever felt envious of your friends or co-workers' achievements? Feel free to share your experience with us in the comment section. Let's go back to our list of confident people's habits, and the next one is number 8. They recognize their mistakes. Confidence should never be confused with stubbornness. Someone who is stubborn may be unwilling or unable to accept when they've made a mistake, and that is a mistake in itself. Although confident people try their best, they're humans too, and are therefore bound to make mistakes. The best thing anybody can do after making a mistake is to own up to it and try to rectify it as best they can. And that's exactly what self-confident people do. Number 9. They ask for help. Confident people know that asking for help won't make them seem weak or unintelligent. They know their strengths and weaknesses, and they look to others to fill the gaps. They also know that learning from someone with more expertise is a great way to improve. Number 10. They celebrate other people's success. If you know what you want and are on a path to achieving it, what is stopping you from truly being happy for somebody who fought hard to achieve their goals? Confident people take real pleasure in seeing others succeed and recognize the importance of supporting others. They remember how they, too, are empowered by others at key times in their lives, and being truly happy for other people is a way to increase your own happiness. There's no magic solution that will suddenly make you a more confident person. But when you focus on making consistent and small steps, you can transform yourself from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. Building confidence is like building momentum. Just keep taking action and you'll feel more and more confident with each positive step. After all, building confidence is a journey, not a destination. To become more confident, you must be passionate in your pursuit of a greater future. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and find out more about anything and everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.